Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to restore File Explorer icon on Windows Start menu and taskbar.
So let's get started.
After updating and installing Windows, I noticed that the Windows Explorer icon was missing from the taskbar. It was also missing from the Start menu. Typically, it was visible within the Windows system, but in this case, only the Windows Task Manager is being displayed. To fix this, I right-clicked on the desktop and selected Personalize. Then, I went to Themes and chose Desktop Icon Settings. In the Desktop Icon Settings, I enabled the My Computer icon and clicked Apply and OK to display it on my desktop. Next, I double-clicked on the My Computer icon and then right-clicked on the taskbar and selected Task Manager to search for Windows Explorer. It was working properly in the Task Manager. To display it on the Start menu and taskbar, I right-clicked the Windows Explorer icon and selected Open File Location, which took me to the Explorer.exe application location. Then, I right-clicked on this icon to display it on the taskbar and selected Pin to Taskbar, and I selected Pin to Start to display it on the Start menu. Now, the Windows Explorer icon is visible on the taskbar and it will show on the Start menu. And there you have it, an easy fix to restore your missing Windows Explorer icons on the taskbar and Start menu.
If you like this video, subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and share it.